Welcome back to my channel. Today is what? Mother's Day, and we're going out for a Mother's Day dinner. She's so excited because she looks so pretty.
Don't it?
Here she is.
Let's go.
Okay, we're going. Hi. Hi. How are you?
Fabulous as you can see.
Ooh, wow. So na blind me away. We made it. When you say table, I have nerves problem. Gotcha. Shake, shake, shake. But we're eating. We have Sammy over here. Okay. Then we have Miss Sexy Jackie over here. Yeah.
No, I'm just putting us out on this side. We could run around.
I'm trying to cook for me now. How's your fish?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
How's your lobster? How's your curry going? Dirty mosquito. We're walking home to get rid of the food bellies. Yeah, so we're walking home. And what if I can't one car soon, so I must buy it. Come on, I run a friend?
In Aaron?
Yes.
So far, we at the car.
Post joke. Hey babies, we're home. I am resting because I'm old, I'm tired. But my hot girl mother, I can go back on the road.
It's Mother's Day. What do you expect?
She too after myself. But my pop down I'm old and all. Hey babes, please ignore this mess. I'm supposed to be putting them on this, as I told you guys before. But your girl was tired and I just wanted to relax. So I didn't even bother folding these or putting them up. But it's hot as today. So my dad just called me, said we're going to the river. And I think I want some pictures. So I'm gonna put on this blue bikini. Hopefully I'll get some cute pictures. Sorry. We're here and I'm trying to find a nice spot where I can take some cute little pictures. Hey, you're white, you know? It's a bit noisy between the bugs and the water. But I'm here taking my pictures and I see like a little dark spot on my leg. But so how I'm sitting down, I thought it was just like my skin creasing, right? Tell me where I look properly, because where it is, your skin creases there, right? When there's this guy further up the river that just dropped his swim trunks and he is fully naked. Well, back to me. When I checked my leg for real, it's a whole bruise on my leg, bro. And it's like, where the hell did I get that from? Where did I get this from? And it's so huge on top of it. It's not like it's a small bruise, because sometimes I do wake up with bruises. But it's like, huh? Say hi to Flo. Anyways, I'm going back to taking my pics. I'm getting some pictures. I'm gonna try to get some with my hair fully down because I kind of don't really like how it was looking from the top. People are watching me. It's not a lot of people here because it's a Monday, but people are watching. Oh, I look like I got a boo. But a couple gone up, so I'm being now. Every minute it's what them turn on and look for me. When I look for me, I don't want me to put a picture too. Cha-cha-cha. Oh my, let me remember the air me. We're going home now. Baby on board. But look at this beast. Guys, pretty glasses. Hey babies, I just got home. I am so hot. I'm frustrated. I went and picked up my package. I'm just hot, man, me hot. I could even video nothing in night town show no. Oh, me hot. Because I'm just hot. And there's so many people in the town. Today I was Friday. And there's so many people in the town. I'm hot. I ordered some clothes for parties, right? Because I've been invited to go partying and I wanted to order my clothes while I had the funds. Is it me? Because as an influencer, sometimes your cash isn't always guaranteed. So while I had the funds, I ordered my stuff. I ate that burger. But here are the stuff. Let's go through them. What is pink? Just like on bikini. That or that pink bikini. Oh, I did. The top is for boobs. I don't got no boobies to go in this, man. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I can't wait to wear this. This is so cute. I grew up not liking pink, but as of recently, I've been a pink girly. This is orange. What's this? Oh, this is a bikini as well. It has flowers on the front. This just reminds me of the whole Jada bikini. Something. About this up, Shein. Obviously. But I don't have any red bikinis and I wanted a red bikini, so I got one. And it has a cover up, like the skirt. I would try them on for you guys, but it's way too hot to be doing a try on haul. These are my swatch bikini, bye-bye. Let me tell you guys, growing up, I had two bathing suits, one yellow one and I think and a blue one, right? I still have the blue one up to now. What size is this? This is not extra small. This is small. But body big still, so you can't hold in there. Why am I buy size small? Can work. And cover up. Oh. And just wrap around your waist. Okay, okay. When we get big, I can buy myself one for bikini. And what is? Is this for me? I bought this? Okay. These zips are the worst. What is? Shoes? Did I buy shoes? What about slippers? So this is the dress, guys. And this is supposed to be a huge bow at the back. With the bow. With the bow. With the bow. This is a completely different pink than what was on the freaking website. But I got my bow finally. And who are you? I'm Tatiana. And I have to do the bow trend. These are one I got. Later. Hi babes. The last time you guys saw me, I went in the town, collected a package or whatever. I am going to the river. Yes, I'm going to the river again. Listen guys, there is a heat wave or whatever happening and the time hot. Come like this, we just sit down on the equator and say, sun, here I am, basking in their glory. I'm hot. And y'all know me, I'm a winter girly. This is not for me. It's not for me, darling. It's not for me. I'm trying so hard to vlog more instead of just saying, oh, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna show me. I'm gonna go put on my bikini right now and I'm gonna show you guys. And we're gonna wait on my dad to come get us because my mom is coming too. Where am I? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sexy body, Sammy. Eastside J, not from Cali. Yeah, what? KFC of the day. Let's talk about it because we're in KFC, get something to eat. So man, eyes me up, so what me doing? We're waiting on the food. In a kind of cold, you know, say KFC, I'm really AC. You know, say we just come out of water. Right? We didn't even know if we catch that on camera a while ago. This, away there. This just drip on your phone. You with you? Jaja. I'm so glad we came in here earlier because now in here full of people. Watch out. One long line of people. Putting cookadayas. Hey babies, I am in bed with Brownie, my love. I'm just here to close out this vlog. After we went to KFC, we went home, ate, slept, and I started a whole different vlog the next day, I believe. And I'm going to edit that one for you guys right now. So I'm just closing this one out. I'm so happy that you guys were here. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. So without further ado, bye.